Hi guys, NCWQ here, and have y'all looking at EMSC, and as you can see it's gotten busy in southwest of Loyalty Islands. They had a 6.0, 6.2, 5.7, 6.2, 6.1, 7.6. It was a 7.9 and it is downgrading. And we're going to take a look at where this one is on Google Earth. And we'll see where this area is that this is hitting. Now these are in this area here, and Loyalty Islands, and this is New Caledonia here. Then you have Fiji here, Vanuatu here, and this area. This is Tonga and Wallis Fortuna. Now there is also tsunami warnings going on with this one, and they are in potential threat Vanuatu, potential threat Fiji, potential threat New Zealand, potential threat Tuvalu, potential threat Wallis Fortuna, potential threat Nauru, potential threat New Caledonia, potential threat Tonga, potential threat Solomon Islands, and a watch is America Samoa. And these were all issued between 8:32 and 8:29, and we can see that our buoys appear to be in motion on here. Those are the ones that are listed in purple. Sorry, this keeps popping up. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd get on, give a real quick update. Prayers for the people that are down there. Y'all be safe, and to the rest of you, please be good to yourselves and each other. Much love.